I'll turn the pool pump on here. You can see what the aerator's doing. Kind of dribbling here. It doesn't really have its spray that it's supposed to be doing. It looks like it's really worn out. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it and see if a new one will get us a little bit of spray. The aerator is supposed to cool the pool water down a little bit. Let's see here, it says the pool water is 90 degrees, which feels pretty good to me, but if it gets much warmer than that, it's not gonna be any fun getting out here.
You don't have to get into the pool to fix the aerator, but it's pretty hot out here. I think it'll be a lot more fun to swim over there.
So in comparison, there's the old one there. Not really doing much aerating. Okay, here they are right here. New one, nice and clean. The old one's pretty wore out there. See the size of the hole there? How much bigger that is compared to the new one. See if I don't know if I need Teflon tape. We'll go ahead and put it in and see what it does. The other thing I wanted to point out too is how much more thread there is on there than the old one. The old one's just got a tiny bit of thread there. You see that? This is all thread here. Maybe there was thread there and it's worn off. I don't know. See that compared to the old one? It's actually aerating. All right, there's our new aerator. There's our pool rat. We call him Zombo. But there he is, he's climbing the walls.